Welcome to Wondershare Filmora 60 seconds, no more in a short time. In this video, we will teach you how to optimize your TikTok bio in 5 steps to boost your business. Step 1. Describe your brand. Describe your followers who you are and what you do. They may gather some idea of what your profile is about based on your content. Still, it would help if you didn't rely on that. What if you create a video relevant to you but has nothing to do with your account? Your visitors need to learn another way to know what your business is all about. It can only be a few words, so make sure you boil down what people want to know, and ensure your language is compelling, engaging, and gets across your account's purpose efficiently. Step 2. Add emojis. Almost every TikTok bio contains an emoji that helps you emphasize your brand's personality and showcase your brand's services and products without consuming much space in your TikTok bio. For example, if you work for an e-commerce brand, particularly in clothing, you might enter a t-shirt emoji. Or if your company sells video tools, you may enter a video camera emoji. So these emojis tell people what to do. And if you want them to hit the follow button or click the link below, you could add arrows to express that without entering extra characters to influence visitors' action. Step 3. Add a CTA. Like any attractive social media bio, you should have a CTA in your TikTok bio as well. It exactly tells your visitors what to do next. For example, you might add a CTA to direct followers to an e-commerce website, a blog post link, or another social channel like YouTube or Instagram. Always think of including a CTA in almost every video or communication you share with your potential followers. Step 4. Don't exceed the character limit. TikTok has a bio character limit which is further not very big. So you only have 80 characters to summarize your TikTok bio. That's just over half of the limit present on Instagram handles, which can be pretty tight. One of the factors emojis are super helpful. You can easily save your characters and use them wisely to communicate your brand among the followers fully. Then pick out the most crucial angles of your brand and showcase those in your TikTok bio. Step 5. Add a link in your TikTok bio. TikTok gives you a link adding space as well, so if it's currently accessible in your account, you should use it. And we'll also discuss how to add a link to TikTok's bio, an excellent method to direct traffic off the platform to other promotion pages. So you can direct them to a relevant landing page or ebook and capture their contact info or an email address. Or you can share the sales page for the most current product you touted in your video. Thus, there are numerous ways you can optimize your TikTok bio ideas. If you're interested in more useful content, check out filmora.wondershare.com.